In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals on 5 upper key in array input method. So 5 upper key, we have 5, 1 and 5, 3. 5, according to the fundamental radicals in array input method, is right turn. So you can see right turn, right here, right turn, and this one right turn. Okay, and 1 is horizontal line and 3 is vertical. Okay, let's begin with the first one. This one, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4, they have this 5, 1 radical. The first row 5, 1, 1. Okay, so we pick the first one 5 and the last row 5, 1. So this is 5, 1, like this one, 5, 1, 5, 1, and here 5, 1. Okay, the first one begin with 5, 1, so we hit 5 upper key. Continue, we have this 9 right here, 9 as left falling, so we hit 9 middle. And the last one is a square here, so 0, 0 middle, and space. Continue this upper part here is 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, so we pick 5, 1, 5 upper key. And the rest we have 4 cross and 1, so this is 4, 1. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And the last one here, this is 0, 1 because the square outside and 1 horizontal inside. So 0, 1 is at 0 upper and space. Okay, the next one, this is a little bit tricky compared to this one. See, this has a cross and 1. This one is not a cross, so how do we type it? Still, we begin with 5, 1, so 5 upper. Okay, so this one here is a vertical, so we hit 3 vertical, fundamental key, 3 middle. And continue, this is horizontal, 1 middle. And we've done 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So we go to the last one right here. This is 7, 1 because it begins with 7 lit and end with 1 horizontal. 7, 1 is at 7 upper and space. Alright, next one. This range up here is 1, 8 because it begins with 1 horizontal and end with 2 dots on the right side. So 1, 8 is at 1 lower. And right here, this is the radical 5, 1. So 5 upper and space. First one. Alright, continue. 1, 2. These two has this radical 5, 1. The only difference is this stroke does not go out, so you can see 5, 1, 1. Here also 5, 1, 1. So this stroke does not go through. Okay, so this one begins with 8, 1, 8 person and 1 horizontal, and 8, 1 is at 8 upper. Continue, this is 5, 1, like I said, 5, 1, so 5 upper. And the last radical here begins with 2 left turn and end with 2 dots 8. 2, 8 is at 2 lower. Space. First one. Next one. Here is also 8, 1. So 8, 1 is at 8 upper. Okay. Continue. We have 5, 1. So we hit 5 upper. And then we have this one 9. Okay, 9 is left falling, 9 middle. And last one, this one, mouth, square, 0 middle, and space. Okay, you might be thinking, how come this is a dot here? Well, depends on different font. So in this case, we pick the 1 as this one right here. Okay, and the next 5, 1 radical is this 5. as in right turn, 1 horizontal. So you can see 5-1 right here, left upper 5-1, this one 5-1, and here right upper here also 5-1. Okay, so this character begins with 5-1, 5 upper, and here this stroke right here is a right turn. So we hit 5 middle and space. Our next one begins with 5-1, so 5 upper. And then this is a left turn, so we hit 2 middle. Last one right here on the right side, this begins with 9 left falling and end with 8 right falling. So this is a 9-8. And 9-8 is a 9 lower space. Continue 5-1 still, 5 upper. And this one is a left turn, so 2 middle. And continue this 5-1 again, 5 upper. Okay, we've done 3, so we go to the last one. 8 at the bottom, 8 middle, and space. Alright, next one we have person on the left hand side. Person is 8 middle. And this one is 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1. So we hit 3 upper key. And we have 5-1 right here, so 5 upper. And last one, this is 5-8, so 5 lower and space. Continue, we have 6-6 because 6 is dot, 6-6 right here. 6-6 is at 6 lower. And right here is a 5-1. 5-1. Okay, so the difference is this stroke gets through. See, gets through, through, and here gets through. Okay, so 5-1 is at 5 upper. And last one you can see person here, so 8 middle and space. First one. Continue, still person, 8 middle, and we have 3 vertical, so 3 middle. Continue, this is 5-1, 5 upper. And we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 1 horizontal and 8 person, 1-8, and 1-8 is at 1 lower and space. Okay, next one. You see, this one is different than these right here. The only difference is the stroke in the middle. So when you write it, it's 5-3-1. So this is also 5-1, like right here. 5-3-1. 5-1 is at 5 upper. And we have square, 0 middle. And this one is 1-2-3-1-3. 1-3 is at 1 upper and space. Okay, last one of 5-1 right here. First stroke, 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and the rest 5-3-1. So this is a 5-1. 5-1 is at 5 upper and space. Okay, let's continue to 5-3. So the radicals here on the left hand side and the right hand side, in Chinese we call them ears, but some people don't like it. But anyways, on the left hand side we call them fu, and right hand side is yi. So there's a saying 左腹右翼. Okay, and doesn't matter left or right. The radical you see is 5-3. It begins with 5 and with 3 vertical. 5-3 is at 5 upper. So the first one begins with 5-3, 5 upper, and continue. We have 8-1, 8 person, 1 horizontal. 8-1 is at 8 upper. And last one, this is a 4-8 cross and 8-4-8. 4-8 is at 4 lower space. Next one still begins with 5 upper and continue. We have 8-1. You see 2 dots, 8 and 1 horizontal. 2. Okay, so 8-1 is at 8 upper. Okay, the rest you can see, this radical begins with 9, left falling, and end with these 2 dots here, 8, so 9, 8. 9, 8 is at 9 lower, and space. Continue, left hand side radical 5, 3, 5 upper, and right hand side we pick this wood first, wood as in cross 4 and 8. So 4A is at 4 lower. And we go back to this here, 0, 1, square and horizontal. 0, 1 is at 0 upper and space. Okay, continue. We begin with this 5 as in right turn, so 5 fundamental key, 5 middle. And here's a vertical cross, so this is also cross, 4 middle. And last one here, 5, 3, so 5 upper. Okay, next one begins with first stroke 1 horizontal, and the rest begins with 3 and end with 1. So 3, 1 is at 3 upper. And last one 5, 3, 5 upper and space. Okay, next one begins with 2 left turn, 2 middle, and continue. We have 2, 9, and 2, 9 is at 2 lower. Okay, and continue in the middle top we have dot 6, so 6 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 5, 3, 5 upper and space. Okay, the next 5, 3 radical is this one, upper part. Okay, so 5 and 9 and 3. Okay, 5, 3. So 5, 3 is at 5 upper, and the lower part begins with 5 right turn and end with 8 right falling. So 5, 8 is at 5 lower. First one. Okay, the last one. You can see the left hand side cross 1, 4, 1. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And continue 5, 3, 5 upper. Last one, just like this one, 5, 8, 5 lower, space. Alright, that's all for the radicals. 5, 1 and 5, 3 in array input method, which is at 5 upper key, letter T on your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.